This is yet another blunder from Nokia. I don't regret saying it, don't take it offensive. I'm a Nokia fanboy.
Ever since I bought my first phone, everything has been a Nokia. I've owned every flagship of it, starting from the 3000C Classic. And I was the first one to purchase the Lumia 800 in my city. And I didn't give up on Nokia, even with the Windows Phone era. And last Nokia phone was the Lumia 1520. That's when I finally gave up on Nokia. The reasons are simple. The Nokia has lost its innovating nature, and it has not changed even with the Nokia 8 Sirocco. Nokia has finally brought in some few premier looks to its phone. They have brought in the curved display, they have added water and dust resistant, they have even ditched the headphone jack. But all these, they don't really impress anyone. They have been in the market for a while, like Apple, Samsung, and nowadays even budget phones have all these features. Even the fingerprint. They have been boasting a lot about the Zeiss optics that they have. But I tell you, after using lots of Nokia phones, the picture isn't any different or better than what the other phones in the market bring at the same category. So this Zeiss branding on their cameras doesn't really matter at all. Nokia is still making the same mistakes it's been making all time long. They have never tried to bring in a flagship. They call the Nokia 8 a flagship now, and within a few months they are going to be releasing a Nokia 9 or 10 and be fooling all those who believe that the Nokia 8 is the flagship. I once was fooled by Nokia saying that the Lumia 800 was a flagship, but then came the Lumia 900. So you're not very sure about which model is going to be the flagship of Nokia, because they call whatever phones they release as their flagships. So I'm not going to be fooled by Nokia 8 Sirocco as their flagship, because probably they're going to be releasing another model quite soon. So the Nokia 8 is not going to survive the market. So what Nokia has to be doing is, when they bring a competition, when they come back after a long time, they need a device that's going to stun people rather than making copied versions of what has already been in the market for quite a while. The only thing that you could buy this Nokia 8 Sirocco for is that it runs on Android 1. So it's the purest version of Android that's available in the market. So the phone is going to be reliable. You're not going to lose this phone within a month or within a year, just like the other Android phones that hang up all the time. Nokia is not going to be doing that. So that is the only place where this Nokia phone is going to survive and impress customers. On the hardware side, Nokia has failed yet again, and the Nokia 8 Sirocco will be a total failure in terms of innovation. That's it, guys. If you like the video and my comments on the Nokia, please leave a like and share what you think about Nokia 8 in the comment section. Until then, see you. Bye bye from Virtual Drive.